Hey everyone, Colorado Avalanche Collector 19 here with another card break. Now, I apologize ahead of time if I'm glaring this way and that way. The camera's right here, so I'm not used to this setup, but bear with me. It might not be the best, but yeah. Anyway, I have some of the Dollarama packs to open today. So yeah. Just either which way. But yeah. 9 in total, and plus I broke 2 already. So I'm going to go through this. I'm only going to show the current stuff or anything that's interesting or the big name players. I'm not going to show the comments. So, and bear with me too, I'm not reading wearing my reading glasses, so I'll try my best. Anyway, hope you all are having a fantastic day and all that, and let's get this started. So we start with the heroes and prospects of Corey Schneider. Pretty nice. And that is from 08-09, so that's pre-rookie, Corey Schneider. Okay, we have Fred Brathwaite, Nicholas Backstrom, Kyle McLaren, and there is Brian Little, Antti Ranta, everyone's favorite ant, according to Z Gaming. Patrick Sundstrom. We have a Mike Hudson, Scott Stevens. Any of you older hockey fans remember how this guy used to just deliver vicious checks? He knocked out Eric Lindros and took out Ron Francis, and just a beast. There's a Colton Gillies from 05-06 Heroes and Prospects. Joe Nieuwendyk denotes that Dallas won the Stanley Cup in 2000. Bobby Holik, Pro Set Rookie. Vladimir Konstantinov. Here is a Mike Camilleri. Here's an interesting one from the Colorado Rockies, Wilf Paymont. And he was one of the last NHL players to wear the number 99 besides Wayne Gretzky, Wilf Paymont. Here's a Mike Richter rookie. Chris Kunitz. Here's a really nice one for the PC, Matt Duchene, from 15-16 Portraits. Let's skip that one. Gary Kroto. We have a Oleg Kavasha, and that's the Be a Player memorabilia update set, I'm pretty sure. Wayne Gretzky, scoring leaders from 90-91 score. We have a Saku Koivu. And we have a Al McInnes. The rest I'm not going to show you like this one. It's a common. Zarly Zalapsky, like not many of you would remember that player. So, okay, let's get started with here. I'm so used to it. So these can be a little tricky. We have scissors or... this one doesn't even want to agree with opening it. Okay, everyone, bear with me. We got a Guy Lafleur there, so thanks, son. We have a Guy Lafleur and Sammy Vatanen on the front, so should have had the scissors at the time, but no harm, no foul. So yeah, Guy Lafleur from Portraits, pretty nice. There's a Wes Walsh rookie from Premier. Colton Gillies. Here is a Andrei Laktinov. some commons. There's a cool one. Doug Harvey, who is known for playing on Montreal more famously, but he also played on the St. Louis Blues. So there's a nice Doug Harvey card on St. Louis. We have Garrett Bembridge. There's a Adam Graves rookie. Or wait a minute, sorry, Adam Oates. That's not Adam Graves. Like I said, I'm not wearing my reading glasses. Here is a Dallas Drake, and that one is Sammy Batten. We start with OEL, Oliver Ekman Larson. Pretty nice photos in that set. Skip these 90s. We have a Ethan Werrick. I've never heard of this guy. Steve Downey. He was on Colorado for a while, so that's a PC card. Lots of, ooh, this is a nice one. Nazem Kadri. Nazem Kadri, when he played for the London Knights. David Viborny. Here's a playing card. So it's a Western Conference playing card. Paul Coffey on Detroit. 10 of Hearts. Pretty sweet. Tyler Johnson. And some of you Oilers fans may remember this name. Steve Smith, who won a few Stanley Cups, but he also cost Edmonton in '86. That infamous mistake where he cost the Oilers, I believe it was against Calgary or Montreal, one of the two, but either way, he was vilified for a few years. Poor guy. Here's a nice one. Andreas Anafinanciu. There we go, from Overtime. One for the PC, Joe Sakic. And I have this one in not the best shape, but you know what? This one has a nicked corner. Okay. Pavel Demetria. R.I.P. We have a Chris Campoli. Sean Matthias. He was also on Colorado, so that's PC. That's his junior card. It's a bit damaged, though. It's a bit dinged, so might have to get a better copy of that. We have Peter Klima. Mark Burrow. This one is a... he plays for Edmonton right now. Chris Russell. No, Chris Russell. Pretty cool. Here's a Gary Sabrin. There's the backs of these cards if you're interested. Okay. Off of there. Let's see. Trevor Linden from 95-96 Bowman. John Emmons. And Rick Nash. Okay, we have 6 packs remaining. 6 packs. Trying to not speak too loud because people are resting here, they're not feeling well. Okay, here's a cool one. Joe Pavelski and Sidney Crosby checklist. We have Stu Barnes, Sean Antosky, yeah. Okay, this is cool. Dave Gardner, the Cleveland Barons. Okay, So this set is from 0405, and it showcased some of the older teams. And I'm spoilers, WWE spoilers. Ugh. Corey Crawford. There we go. Heroes and Prospects. Little Gordie Howe action. Here is Craig Simpson. This is a pretty cool one too. I'm glad to be getting a lot of these. These are this is a cool set. Brian Hayward. Andrew Penner. And this is pretty cool. A Matt Stajan from 14-15 OPG, and that's the retro. Pretty sweet. On to this pack. Okay, we start with a David Krejci from Overtime. That is 18-19 Overtime, the brand new Overtime that's out. Vancouver Canucks card from 89-90 OPG. We have Dave Poulin, Alexander Mogilny. Well, this is cool. Let's see what card this is. Okay. One of my favorite sets of all time. 0809 Masterpieces. There we go. Brian Leach. Pretty cool, and there's a little mini shot of the front. Him accepting the Conn Smythe Trophy during the 94 Stanley Cup Finals. There we go, Ziri. Denny Heatley. Denny Heatley. Mr. 50 goals and Mr. All-Star. Peter Nedved, Pro Set rookie. That's a cool one. Mark Giordano. This guy's unreal right now for the Calgary Flames. Mark Giordano. Wow. Look at that. Just amazing. I love coming across cards like that. There's Kevin Bieksa, who plays on Vancouver. No, I think he's retired now. He's an analyst for Hockey Night in Canada. Kevin Bieksa. Pretty sweet. There's a Grand Fuhrer from Parkhurst. Grand Fuhrer. And Ron Hainsey. 15-16 Upper Deck. So, the playoff race is getting intense. Colorado's got the last wild card, but you know what? That might not last. Oh, the Western Conference is just intense this year. Speaking of which, here's Gabriel Landeskog. Girlfriend's just looking at me like those darn cards. Chris Draper. That's a really cool card. Yuri Littell. Basil McRae. I'm not going to go into too much detail with those. Here's a Ryan Malone. Ryan Malone. Cool. This is a sweet one. Ooh, this is a really nice find. Look at that. Out of the Dollarama pack, a Marion Gaborik rookie card. Nice. That one's probably a $5 card. Marion Gaborik. Pretty sweet. You know what? I'm going to put that one aside. There's Adam Graves. Doug Bodger. Matt Bolesky. I'm sure a lot of you have seen these cards before. Chris Campoli, rookie class. I don't know who this is. Okay, that's a common. There's Owen Nolan from 93-94 Upper Deck. Kirk McLean. The cool thing about this set, as I drop the card, pictures their rookie card. This one is, I'm not even going to bother to pronounce this name. And, ooh, Patty Marleau from Overtime. 3 packs remaining in this snooze fest. Yeah, I'll call it a snooze fest for you all. try to hurry it up. Chris Stewart for the PC. There's Adam Graves. Owen Tippett. What am I saying? Dave Tippett. That's his father. Mike Ricci, rookie. Here is a Nathan Lawson. Throw some prospects. Mark Parrish. Okay. Philip Boucher, rookie. Yuri Alexandrov. Wilf Paymont. Jeff Hackett. That's San Jose. Here's a really cool one. Eric Lindros from 95-96 Donruss Elite. Pretty cool. Eric Lindros. Biggie. One of Scott Stevens' victims. Marion Hossa. Who had to retire, unfortunately, to his skin condition. Just brutal if you go read up on that. And Andrew Ladd. 2 packs remaining. So, and we're already up to 16 minutes. Yeesh. So, okay, we have Maxime Clermont, Dave Taylor. Okay, just some commons. Alish Cotley, Guillaume Latendresse, who used to be on Montreal. Ron Francis holding the Stanley Cup. That's a cool picture. Peter Zessel, R.I.P. Here's a nice one. Gil Meloche. We have a Scott Glennie. Darian Hatcher. Another physical presence from the 90s. He used to be really gritty. He was one of my favorite defensemen growing up. This is a weird set. Yannick Perreault. Just be thankful it's not one of the cards with their with them just wearing a towel. Really weird. Why would you have that? And Pierre-Luc Dubois from Artifacts. And the last pack right here. We start with a Steven Stamkos from Contenders. Dmitry Karvatanov. Matt Sundin. Edmonton Oilers. Winning the Stanley Cup. Ooh, that's a really cool one. Jacques Plante for the St. Louis Blues. Now that's the second Habs legend that is pictured on the St. Louis Blues. So that's a really cool card. Not many cards are pictured with, except for maybe vintage cards of Jacques Plante on the St. Louis Blues. Pretty sweet. Chris Russell. Jim White. That's nothing card. Here's a Mark Fitzpatrick. And Bill McDougall. And we end this with a Franz Nielsen from Flair Showcase. So yeah, that's it, everyone. Some older names there, just a wide variety. The Jacques Plante, the Doug Harvey, but the best card that we pulled, Marian Gaborik, rookie. So thanks for watching. I apologize for the lack of content. You know what? Just life is just really crazy, but I'm hoping to get back to work soon. And then once I save up some money, I'll probably get some better hobby boxes. Until then, this is what we'll get. But you know what? Still something. Get some content. You never know what we'll come across. Anyway, everyone, thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will gladly subscribe to your channel as well. Show some support. So thanks, everyone, as always. Take care from Colorado Avalanche Collector 19. Bye.